I've been working on the railroad. There's a train station. He gets his ticket. Here comes the conductor. There's the station, the crossing. I've been working on the railroad all the live long day. There it goes through the city, out into the country. I've been working on the railroad just to pass the time away. Through the mountains. Can't you hear the whistle blowing? Rise up so early in the morn. And there's the sign for Dinah's Cafe. Can't you hear the captain shouting, Dinah, blow your horn. There's her horn. And where she's blowing her horn, Dinah, won't you blow? Dinah, won't you blow? Dinah, won't you blow your horn? Dinah, won't you blow? Dinah, won't you blow? Dinah, won't you blow your horn? And then it says, someone's in the kitchen with Dinah. Someone's in the kitchen, I know. Someone's in the kitchen with Dinah, strumming on the old banjo. There they are, strumming and singing fee, fi, fiddly-I-o. Fee, fi, fiddly-I-o. Fee, fi, fiddly-I-o. Strumming on the old banjo.